Hey guys, so in this video I will be discussing the bullish order block concept, and I'll be doing some more video series on several subjects, but we'll start with the basics. So a bullish order block, I've marked out 3 basic rules right here on the right side of the chart. So what we want to be looking at is it needs to be a lowest down close candle, and we want to see a wide range body. So a wide range body is I want to see a big beefy candle like this. That's ideal for a setup, and it needs to be near a key support level. So I marked out two things in the chart. I've marked out this swing low, so we know this is an important key level, and we got liquidity resting above these highs in the form of buy stops. So let's see how price reacts when it gets to this level. So it sweeps this low, so liquidity has been taken, and now we want to see a big beefy down close candle being formed, followed by breaking structure. So right here, let's mark it out. Use a different color for it. So in this case, we swept this low, so we know liquidity has been engineered. This was the previous high, and we have a breaking structure right now. So we formed a high, a low, a higher high. We got our lowest down close candle. It needs to have a wide range body. It has a wide range body. So we know this is our area of interest. What I then do is I mark this level out, and I want to be a buyer as soon as we retrace to this level. I do not want to see price close below the mean threshold of this OB. So that's basically the midpoint. So I want to see the midpoint of this OB hold. I do not want to see a candle close below. So let's see what happens. So price moves away. It leaves these clean lows, another set of clean lows. So price has a reason to go back below and rate them. Beautiful tap into this daily OB. So when you see price action like this being formed, you can either wait until it reaches this level, or you can set your limit orders at the top of the order block. Your stop should go below the low of this candle. And target wise, I always target the first set of liquidity, and then I'll trail my stop alongside with it. So let's move forward from this point on. Now you see we have 1, 2, 3 daily closes above this daily OB. So you have 3 days to get in a position targeting these buy stops. And as you can see, it moves away violently from our level of interest. Rates the buy stops. We get out, we take profit right here. And price returns to the mean. And that's how you use a bullish order block, right?